Okay, here's my new Alpicool refrigerator. Running initial testing on it right now. Got 4 cold beers in there right now just for a little bit of thermal load. Got it hooked to my kilowatt here. We'll keep an eye on it. Started the test at about 20 minutes ago. Internal temperature at the start of the test was 73 degrees. Plugged it in, turned it on. Compressor came on. Runs at about 40 watts, 41 watts. At 20 minutes, the compressor shuts off and temperature shows 32 degrees. On idle, we're looking at 0.7 watts energy usage at idle. And we'll continue from there. So far, working great. Okay, let's check it out. 10 hours. It's at 30 degrees right now. I had it set to 32. 10 hours, 14 minutes, 0.143 kilowatt hours. That's 143 watt hours. Jeez, 100 watt solar panel would handle this easily. 10 hours. Oh my God. And then I'm thinking a 35 amp hour battery is going to be overkill, but that's a nice, small, cheap battery. Sweet. Alright, let's check this out. Put a drink in here. Nice and cold. I don't know exactly. Oh yeah, there's a little frost on the sides. Oh, cold beer. Yeah, I love testing out new equipment.